Hi, welcome to Dihan Family Travels. I'm Munzi.
And I'm Dihan.
If you're visiting Lisbon for a short time, this video is your guide to how to maximize your time and still see all your must-dos, especially when traveling with kids. Quick recap of day one, where we explored the Praca de Comercio area. We went on top of the Rua Augusta Arch, visited Bacalhau Museum, Lisbon Story Center Museum, and then the beautiful Rua Augusta Street before heading over to Time Out Market for lunch. Visited Pink Street and ended the day with a beautiful Miradoura visit. Make sure to check out the day one video after this.
The key to this is to group the attractions that you want to visit by neighborhood. On our day two travels, we covered the Belem neighborhood and the Alfama district. Watch this video and see how this can be done. Here is a map of the Belem neighborhood and all the nearby walkable attractions there to visit, back to back, and see a lot of Lisbon in half a day.
So this video is going to show in the Belem neighborhood, Jeronimo's Monastery, Belem Tower, and many more, and then move on to St. George's Castle and Miradouras in the Alfama district.
So if you find this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button and help us grow our channel.
Thank you. Let's go.
Quick tip. You can buy the Lisboa Pass either online or right at the airport kiosk, and it includes free entry to around 50 attractions and public transportations in Lisbon. It costs $57 for a 2-day pass, and it is very convenient and cost-effective.
Starting off our day two adventures, we took a Bolt ride to the Belem District. Bolt is like a Portuguese Uber but cheaper and super available everywhere. In Belem, the first stop was to Pastel De Belem for the famous Pastel de Nata. It actually originated from here and was created by Catholic monks in Jeronimo's Monastery, which is a quick 4-minute walk away and our next stop. Jeronimo's Monastery is a national monument and renowned for its richly decorated Portuguese Gothic architecture.
It opens at 10 a.m. and the lines can get long in the afternoon. It is included in your Lisboa Pass, otherwise the tickets are €15 per adult. With the Lisboa Card, you do not have to wait in line at the ticket office.
This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site constructed during the Age of Discovery in the 16th century. Inside is a grand hall that goes around overlooking the courtyard with beautiful spots for photo ops. Also has the Church of Santa Maria included in the visit. The tomb of the legendary Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama is here also. Here's a tip, inside is very peaceful and calm, so no running around or being too loud.
From there, you can walk right across the street to Praca do Imperio. It's a beautiful garden surrounding a big fountain. Take a moment to enjoy the panoramic scenery opposite of the banks of the Tagus River.
The other side has the ginormous Monument to the Discoveries. It stands 52 meters high and was erected in 1960 as a symbol of Portugal's golden age of discovery and depicts 33 important figures in Portuguese history. Visitors can take an elevator to the viewing platform. Admission is free with the Lisboa Card. From there, you have a breathtaking view of the Tagus River, the famous suspension bridge, and the surrounding Belem district. We stopped for a quick gelato break in this beautiful shop with the best outdoor seats and sweeping water views right next to the monument. There, you can walk along the pedestrian path to the Belem Tower. It's a very pleasant walk on a flat surface, and you pass by little shops and boutiques and smell the delightful aroma from all the food stalls. The view of the Tagus River and the famous suspension bridge from here is so serene as the sailboats go by. As you get closer, you can see the famous Belem Tower. Belem Tower is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-visit attraction in Lisbon. It is included in your Lisboa pass, otherwise it costs €8. Inside the tower, visitors can explore the Royal Hall, a chapel, before reaching the viewing platform, which offers breathtaking views over the Tagus and Lisbon. As we were about to get in line for the tower, it started raining with wild winds, so we had to take shelter and skip the inside tour, unfortunately. And as you can see, there were still people waiting in line.
Lunch was at an authentic Portuguese tapa restaurant, close to the Alfama district, which was our next destination. Here, we tried the shrimp with garlic sauce, fried sardines, grilled octopus, and many more. How was it?
So good.
The food in Portugal is so delicious that it deserves a video of its own, and we'll do that shortly. What are you eating, sir?
I'm eating the octopus.
You're eating an octopus?
It's your first time. Thumbs up or down? After the delicious meal, we took a 5-minute boat ride to the nearby Alfama district. We passed by the Sé de Lisboa, a beautiful cathedral. However, it is not included in the Lisboa Pass. We arrived in Alfama, which is the oldest and most characteristic district in Lisbon. It's filled with a maze of narrow cobble street with a steep uphill to St. George's Castle, our next destination.
St. George's Castle is open 7 days a week except on special holidays, and depending on the season, the last admission can be either 5:30 p.m. or as late as 8:30 p.m. Entry to the castle is included in the Lisboa Card. Otherwise, tickets are €15 for adults.
The castle offers visitors the opportunity to immerse themselves in the past while enjoying a breathtaking panoramic view over Lisbon. The viewpoint offered the most beautiful view of the capital, so we took a moment to enjoy the sight.
This is the guy I was talking about.
Fun fact, the castle is filled with peacocks and they are pretty people friendly and learn to ask for food. Here's a tip, do not feed them, it's not good for them and they will follow you around. St. George's Castle is a historical landmark and a national monument in Lisbon. It's perched high up on top of the hill overlooking the capital. The fortress has a rich history dating back to the 11th century when it was built by the Moors. We spent at least 2 hours exploring the grounds at our own pace and left at sunset. The grounds consist of the castle, the ruins of Palace of the Citadel, the Place of Arms, a wide panoramic viewpoint over the city, an archaeological center, the gardens, and a series of walls. Inside the castle and throughout the grounds, the floors are uneven and there are different areas to climb, so we recommend comfortable shoes for walking and climbing. Also, after rain, the steps can get slippery, so take caution. With children, climbing the towers can be a bit risky and parents should hold on to small children to avoid accidents. The views from above are mesmerizing and all around panoramic views everywhere. It's definitely worth the climb.
It was time to say goodbye to the St. George's Castle, and we even took a little time to say goodbye to our peacock friend. After you exit the castle, keep walking downhill until you reach the Miradoura de Santa Luzia. It is one of the most photographed Miradouras in Alfama.
Here you can watch the beautiful sunset or walk over to the other side to have some snacks and drinks and watch the trams go by. Lisbon is certainly one of the most unique and charming cities we have ever visited and was a very memorable trip. The next day we left for Lagos and Carvoeira in Algarves and then the magical town of Sintra. More videos on those soon.
So guys, this one was our day 2. Don't forget to watch the day 1. We'll put a link up here.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us. We really appreciate it. And leave us some comments about which one of these was your favorite attraction. We would love to know.
See you on the next one.